How to install a Novo XT, Novo XT2, or Novo XT PRO remote socket plate. You will need a 6mm Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, pull back the front right-hand corner of the body pad. Then, using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt and washer that secure the front of the right-hand side panel to the chair. Lift up on the front of the side panel, then lower it to the floor next to the chair. Now, turn the remote connector lock counterclockwise to loosen it, then disconnect the remote. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the remote socket housing to the chair. Pull upward on the housing for better access. Now, remove the 3 screws that secure the remote socket to the housing, then discard the screws. Unpack the remote socket plate and the 3 screws. Pull up on the socket just enough to expose the wires, then slide the socket plate into position on top of the housing, aligning the screw holes. Route the wires through the housing slot. Align the socket screw holes with the socket plate screw holes, then install the 3 new screws to secure it. Next, align the remote socket plate and housing screw holes with the corresponding screw holes on the chair, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Do not over-tighten the screws. Now, plug the remote cable into the socket, aligning the pins with the holes, then turn the connector lock clockwise to secure it. Lift the front of the side panel, then set it into position with the side panel mounting bracket resting on the corresponding bracket on the chair. Replace the bolt and washer to secure the side panel to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, then confirm that the remote is working properly.